Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alrighty, this week's channel shout out. Give these a nice mix, because I think they get clumped up in the container, so make sure everybody's well mixed. Got the canteen of drawing, or actually the canteen of one flipping out, which just did, and we have, oh cool, we have Mark Kratz MC, an awesome brother. He's been putting out a lot of content, and very enjoyable content lately, so let's get these put away. And then let me show you a sticker real quick. So here he is, Mark Kratz MC. James G Outdoors, miss you brother, I hope you're well. Allie Carroll, Mid Tennessee Outdoors, Outdoors and Things, and then Lower Michigan Hiking and Camping. I'm a little kind of behind on his videos. I hate doing that, but I get busy, so there's a sticker.
Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like throwing a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.